Okay, Hoot, if I push this button on the Super Slipper remote, hopefully your Super Slippers will work.
Yay!
Here we go, Hoot. Aha!
Hey, Pa!
Hey, Hoot Pa!
Oh, no! It didn't work, Jimmy Giggle. My Super Slipper's still broken.
Well, maybe I need to try and push this button, Hoot, and turn this dial. All right, here we go.
Okay, here we
Push
go.
that button and turn the dial.
Whoa!
Hoot Pa sure is having fun with his Super Slippers today, Hoot.
Oh, sure is, Jimmy Giggle,
Yeah.
but my Super Slipper's still broken.
Oh, man. Wait,
Oh,
wait,
man.
Hoot. Maybe I was just pressing the wrong button. Let me try this button, Hoot.
Yay!
Aha! Oh, maybe this one. Aha! This one?
Oh, Jimmy Giggle, I think my Super Slippers are broken too.
Oh, man.
Hang on a second. Wait a minute. Oh, I know why your Super Slippers aren't working, Hoot. Because the Super Slipper remote is set only to Hoot Pa's Super Slippers. That's why you keep moving, Hoot Pa. Here, check it out. Ready? See? I need to set the Super... Hang on. Come back, Hoot Pa. I need to set the Super Slipper remote to the Hoot and Hoot Pa setting. All right, let me do that. There we go. And done.
Oh, Slipper-tastic. Now let's do some super sliding, Hoot.
Yeah, let's go.
Here we go.
Whee!
Woo! Awesome.